Struggling to navigate bank fees and feeling like your hard-earned money is constantly being chipped away? You're not alone. I've been banking with Ally for years, and I'm going to share my first-person experience and the exact strategies I use to keep my money where it belongs, in my accounts. The good news is that Ally Bank is an online-only bank famous for having very few fees to begin with. The trick isn't avoiding common fees like monthly maintenance, because they don't charge them. Instead, it's about watching out for the few specific fees that do exist and leveraging their policies to your advantage. ATM fee strategy, maximize reimbursement. The most common fee you might encounter is the ATM fee. Ally doesn't own its own network of ATMs, so you'll use other banks' machines. Here's the breakdown. Use network ATMs for free. Ally is partnered with the Allpoint and MoneyPass networks. There are over 75,000 of these ATMs across the U.S. I always try to use one of these first because they're 100% free. Pro tip, use the Ally app's ATM locator to find one near you. Leverage the reimbursement. If you have to use an out-of-network ATM, Ally automatically reimburses you for the fees the ATM owner charges, up to $10 per statement cycle. This is huge. For me, that $10 covers a couple of emergency withdrawals per month, making Ally's ATM policy essentially free for my typical usage. International transactions. This is a key area to watch. While Ally doesn't charge their own ATM withdrawal fee, they do charge a 1% foreign transaction fee on your withdrawal amount and on point-of-sale debit card purchases made outside of the U.S. The $10 reimbursement limit also does not apply to international ATM fees. If you travel a lot, this 1% is one of the few fees that will add up, so consider using a credit card with no foreign transaction fee instead. Money with wings overdraft and insufficient funds. The best part about Ally, and something I personally appreciate, is their stance on overdraft fees. No overdraft fees. Ally eliminated overdraft fees entirely. If you attempt a transaction that would overdraw your account, the transaction will simply be declined, and you won't be charged a fee. This is a massive fee to avoid that plagues traditional banks. Coverdraft and overdraft transfer. Ally offers two ways to help cover you without fees. Overdraft transfer service. You can link your Ally spending account to an Ally savings or money market account. If a transaction causes an overdraft, Ally automatically transfers money in increments of $100 from your linked account, for free. I have this set up as a safety net. Coverdraft. This is a feature that may cover up to $250 in overdrafts for certain transactions, like debit card purchases, after you've had the account for 30 days and have had at least $100 in deposits. Again, it's fee-free, but you must bring the balance back to positive within 14 days. The straight-to-the-point advice here: link your accounts for the free overdraft transfer service, and you will virtually eliminate any stress over overdrawing. Bank the less common, but possible, fees. While Ally excels at having no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements, there are few transactions that do incur a cost. Outgoing domestic wire transfer. Ally charges $20 to send money via an outgoing domestic wire transfer. Incoming wires are free, but if you need to send a wire, you'll pay the fee. My strategy? Use free ACH transfers instead. ACH takes a little longer, but standard and expedited ACH transfers between institutions are free. I only wire money if it's an absolute, time-sensitive emergency. Expedited delivery. If you need a document, a debit card, or a checkbook expedited, there's a $15 fee. My advice? Plan ahead. You get free standard shipping, and for me, a little planning saves $15 every time. Excessive transactions, savings/money market. This is critical for the Ally savings and money market accounts. These accounts are limited to 10 qualifying withdrawals or transfers per statement cycle. While Ally states they don't charge a fee for going over this limit, they will close the account if you exceed it on more than an occasional basis. The easy fix? Use your spending account for daily transactions, and only transfer from savings when you genuinely need to move money for a long-term goal. In short, Ally does the heavy lifting by removing the most irritating fees, but the responsibility to avoid the few remaining ones is on you. Use their free ATM network or stay under the $10 reimbursement, link your accounts for overdraft protection, and use free ACH instead of wires. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.